Hello, sweet blooms. We are back with a new video. And trust me, this one's going to change your lash game forever. Real question. Ever seen someone's lashes and thought, how are they that perfect without mascara? I used to think it was genetics or salon magic, until I found out you can grow your own, longer, fuller lashes in just 3 days. Naturally. No fake lashes, no pricey serums. Just simple steps using things you probably already own. Ready to unlock the lash glow up you've always wanted? Let's go. Step 1. Clean those lashes, girl. No growth magic can happen on dirty lashes. Before anything else, wash your face thoroughly, especially around your eyes. Gently remove any mascara, dirt, or oil buildup. Think of it like priming a canvas. You want those lashes to fully absorb the good stuff we're about to layer on. Step 2. Time to brush. Yep, brushing your lashes helps more than you think. Using a clean spoolie or soft brush, comb your lashes for 5 minutes, morning and night. It stimulates blood flow to the follicles and helps your lashes grow faster and healthier. Step 3. Green tea compress. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, then soak cotton pads and place them over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The antioxidants in green tea reduce puffiness, soothe your eyes, and strengthen your lashes. Bonus. It feels like a mini spa moment. Step 4. Lash masks, aka the real growth power. You only need one of these, but I'll give you 3 options, depending on what's in your kitchen. Mask 1. Onion juice plus Vaseline. I know it sounds weird, but onion juice is loaded with sulfur that boosts growth, and Vaseline locks in moisture. Mix them, apply carefully with a clean brush. Leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. Mask 2. Almond oil plus honey. This one's super hydrating. Almond oil has vitamins E and B, while honey keeps the moisture locked in. Mix equal parts, brush it on, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. Mask 3. Egg white plus Vaseline. Protein-packed, this combo strengthens fragile lashes and reduces breakage. Whip them up, apply, let sit, and rinse as usual. Step 5. Eyelid massage. This is such a game changer. Warm a few drops of coconut or olive oil between your fingers and gently massage your eyelids for 3 to 5 minutes. It boosts circulation and nourishes your lash roots. Do this twice a week and be super gentle. No pulling. Step 6. DIY lash serum. You can make a natural serum that works overnight. Here's my favorite recipe. Mix 2 teaspoons castor oil, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, and the oil from 2 vitamin E capsules. Apply with a clean brush before bed. Wake up with nourished, happy lashes. Step 7. Skip the lash curler. Instead, curl your lashes naturally. After applying your serum or moisturizer, gently lift and hold your lashes upward using your fingertips for a few seconds. It gives a subtle curl without the damage. Step 8. Eat your way to better lashes. Yep, beauty from the inside out. Make sure your diet has enough protein from eggs, chicken, or yogurt. Add in healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados. Don't forget colorful fruits like berries and citrus for those essential vitamins. Quick lash care tips. What to avoid. Don't sleep in mascara, ever. Avoid waterproof mascara when possible. Never use a curler on wet lashes. Don't share eye makeup. Just know. Toss old eye products every 3 to 6 months. These simple changes made all the difference for me. And honestly, I still can't believe how fast I saw results. Want to try this yourself? I've linked everything I used in the description. Stick with it, and you'll start to see real results. Got your own lash tips? Drop them in the comments. I love learning from you too. And if this helped, give it a like, share it with your besties, and hit subscribe for more honest beauty tips here on Nudebloom. Until next time, stay glowing and keep blooming.